Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 not charging. So if you have problems with charging, then take a microfiber and clean the charger and the backside of your watch, because some debris might be stuck to it. Then hit the crown button and hold it till you see the restart button and try to restart your watch. Also, you can forcefully restart it by holding the crown button a little longer, around 12 seconds. You can also test with another charging outlet, and then when the watch restarts, we will try putting it on here, and it is charging. Also, you can go into the HUAWEI Health app, then Devices, your watch, scroll down
to HUAWEI Health,
and Firmware Update.
This is a mindfulness exercise to relieve anxiety.
Okay, so I hit the breathing exercise accidentally, but you can firmware update right here. If you have any, then hit here, download. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.